Hello, I'm Steve from F1MOTO. In this video we're going to talk about checking the compression ratio on a two-stroke engine. The example we have here is a Yamaha YZ125. So again, as you can see, the cylinder head is off it and the ignition cover is off it in preparation for doing this test. So compression is basically just a ratio between the swept volume of the engine, so the capacity the piston displaces, versus the clearance volume above the piston at TDC, and just a simple straightforward ratio. So the way we go about checking this, we park the piston somewhere down the bore, get a bit of grease, just a bead along the top edge of the cylinder. This is to stop the liquid we use running down the piston into the crankcase, so it just creates a nice good seal. So we wind the piston up somewhere near top, wipe the excess grease off, make sure our sealing O-rings are in place, both on the cylinder and within the cylinder head. So then we place our cylinder head on, followed by the sealing washers, and then the retaining nuts. You can see for this test we've set the axis of the engine almost vertical, because obviously we're going to be filling the top of the cylinder with kerosene. Now we just run those retaining nuts down. Again, just give them a good firm nip up, and we screw our dial gauge setup into the spark plug hole. Make sure the piston's at TDC. As you can see, where it changes direction is TDC. So once we're at TDC, we can unscrew the gauge. Next we take our barrette. This example is a 25cc one, also available from F1MOTO. Take a bottle of kerosene, fill the barrette, just give it a tap with your finger to get rid of all the air bubbles. Like so, and zero it in on the meniscus, somewhere there. So then we fill the cylinder to the top of the spark plug hole. You can see it coming up now. And so slowly, just there. So you can see that the fluid is level by the top of the spark plug hole. So then we would take a reading off the barrette for the volume of kerosene that we've just put into the cylinder. Now the engine is 125 cc. If the clearance volume was 10 cc, that makes 135 cc. So you divide the cylinder volume plus the clearance volume, all divided by the clearance volume, which is 10 cc. So that would make 13.5 to 1 compression ratio. And it really is as simple as that.